Hola! The Spanish language is so much fun for many reasons, but one of those reasons is that vowels make one sound. In English, we have two sounds for our vowels, the long sound and the short sound, and sometimes they make other sounds too, so it can be kind of confusing when you're learning how to speak English or learning to read. But Spanish has one sound for their vowels, and I like to think of those sounds as ways that we laugh. Maybe you don't laugh this way, but sometimes I do. So the first sound is ha, ah, ha ha ha. The E makes he, he he he. The I says E, he. The O says ho ho ho, like Santa, ho ho ho. And the oo, no one really laughs like this except maybe an owl, hoo hoo hoo, ooh. So these are the Spanish vowel sounds, a, e, o, oo. Now let's practice the consonant sounds. A, B, C, che, de, e, f. Hey, h, i, j, k. L, ey, m, n, ny. O, pe, ku. Ere, esse, te. U, be, doble B, X, Y, Z. Yo sé el alfabeto, ole! I learned this with a song that I will now sing to you, and you can repeat after me. Repitan. A, B, C, D, E, F, A. G, H, I, J, K. L, A, M, N, Ny. O, P, Q, R, S, T. U, B, W, X. Y, Z. Yo sé mi alfabeto. Ole! Very good. Hasta luego.